Arrive in style with this 2016 Kia Forte LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 2.937 axle ratio, front-wheel drive, front anti-roll bar, electric power assist steering, single stainless steel exhaust, clear-coat paint, black side windows trim, light tinted glass, fully galvanized steel panels and trunk rear cargo access. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.